So for the 10th year of CarFest 2025, we're looking to do something big, out of the box. Through a mutual friend, we learned about beat aids, and they had a vehicle there, a van that had not run in almost 2 years, affectionately named Clifford. Through a private donor, they came in and said, Seymour's, that's a staple in the community. Let's partner and let's get this van back on the road in promotion leading up to CarFest 2025.
So Beat AIDS is the oldest and largest HIV and AIDS services provider in Bexar County. We serve thousands of people a year. Transportation is critical for our clients. Our transportation provides resources to our clients to get them to and from doctor's appointments. It allows them to go to therapy appointments, to go to school, to get to and from work.
Some people were left with preclusions that this vehicle was just left for dead. And that wasn't the truth. As we dug deeper, we knew that this vehicle just needed some fresh fluids, needed to have a good tune-up. All the rubber products on it were really just worn from just sitting in dry age. I mean, Clifford is now 24 years old, essentially. We put all factory Motorcraft parts on it, Ford spark plugs, Ford belt. We did all the induction services through BG. We had a whole bunch of help from a lot of different folks around here who took a lot of pride in bringing Clifford back to life so that we can get this thing back to beat AIDS and absolutely get out there and just help the community.
Clifford has come back to life, and it means a lot to us. Everyone here is super excited to have the van back in commission, rocking and rolling and ready to go. In addition to thank you, they are also saving lives. So providing that labor and those materials to get that van going is literally life-saving for folks here in Bexar County.